Things from Amazon that are unnecessary, but I just love. I don't know why I like this so much. It holds your toothbrush, and then you just kind of do a little pump. Look, it's your toothpaste. This looks like an elephant, but it's actually a wine corkscrew. Do I know how to use it? Not really. Is it adorable? Yes. And then this looks like a power saw, but it's a pizza cutter. And this is a really sad pizza. I live alone. These are reusable Ziploc bags that look like mason jars. They're good for the environment, and it's so much more fun than a regular Ziploc. This Brita filter has changed the game. I don't know why I love cold water, but I'm too lazy to put ice in it. And then these are self-watering pots. It has a string and it just kind of like sucks it all up, and I don't kill my plants.